This is a 2013 BMW X5. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, the Sport Activity Package, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, xDrive, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, roof rails, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, BMW individual composition, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 12,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.